Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Chino local and long distance movers near me. 3 Movers is a licensed moving company with over 20 years of experience moving customers nationwide and abroad. Name any moving need you have, and we have a service to match it. From packing to unpacking. Pressed for time on moving day, our movers will arrive right on schedule. Pricing comes with no surprises because we offer our customers free quotes for our high-quality, competitively priced services. Miles away, your new home or office awaits. You are looking forward to stepping into a new place, but the stress of packing and moving so far away is getting to you. You won't have to worry about getting your belongings safely to your far-off destination. Our movers will pack up your valuables in protective packaging and keep them secure for an out-of-state or international move. Instead of calling a moving company for your local move, you opted for loading up your own car and getting help from your in-laws. That sounds like a disaster in the making, and it is entirely avoidable. 3 Movers specializes in local moves. We can get you packed and unpacked into your new space after just 1 day. You can keep the in-laws at bay for now, but no promises that you can avoid inviting them for a dinner party at the end of moving day. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Chino moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.